Hey everybody, it's Deb, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create that white outline around your face or around any image for that matter for a thumbnail or for any type of posting in Canva from your mobile phone. So let's open up the Canva app. And I have an image that I've already started. And the very first thing you're going to want to do is remove the background from your image, which we have already done in this image right here. So if I want to put a white background around this, and let me say first, and this is the challenging part, because sometimes on a person, depending on their hair, if it's not smooth, some of those hairs will come out in your outline and it won't be as clean and crisp, and you can manually go through and smooth that out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and add the white outline. So you're going to go to Effects. So this first one, this was the background remover that we went through in a previous video. So now I'm going to scroll over, to Shadows. You're going to select Shadows. And the very first one is Glow. You're going to select Glow. Now right now you can kind of faintly see a grayish, brownish like glow around me. I'm going to click Glow again. And then you're going to have these details. So on the color, right now it's on this black. So I am going to click Color and I'm going to select White. Okay. And then we can blur it or not. Transparency, we don't want it transparent. And then the size, you can make it really thick, but we're just going to go a little bit. And again, the blur, you can make it blurry, or you can get a crisp, you can go all the way to the left. And see, there you go. And you can change the size of it from on here. So we can go just like a thin white line, or we can make it extra thick. But we're going to back it off. That sounds good. And there you go. So that's how you do that from your phone, creating that white crisp outline around yourself or around an image. Click away, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. The YouTube gods really love it when you do that, and it says, hey, you like this. And if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to the